Hi dear, welcome to watch this other video, number 11 of the program called Dear Smoker. Um, Today the title is How Could We Keep Silent? How could we keep silent? If you look at that first one, this is the page I have prepared. It says in the top, smokers are very unfortunate people, particularly those who started smoking in their teen life. Very unfortunate. This is one of the shocking facts about smoking. Um, the first part here, it says, tobacco is an absolute potent poison. Its effect is always to destroy life. It's the most active and deadly poison. A few drops of nicotine on an animal's cornea kills instantly. Don't try it, please. One drop applied on the tongue of a cat gives her convulsions and in 2 minutes death. Smoking is a malicious enemy. A very small amount of tobacco can cause a severe damage to the liver. Eating one pack of cigarettes can cause death. Smokers can never be healthy people. Every regular smoker is injured. Cigarette smoking kills some, make others suffer from cancers and other diseases. Every smoker is gambling on his or her life. It is strongly recommended that all smokers must quit now. Smoking is a universal malice murder. Above World War II, crime against humanity. It's a curse. Therefore, smokers should resort to God, the Almighty, and show Him their sincere desire to quit the evil habit. A human would die of an infusion of tobacco as of a shot through the head. One cigar contains a quantity of nicotine which would prove fatal deadly to two healthy people if directly injected into the blood circulation system. Tobacco chemicals form an ultra-hazardous combination. It is always harmful, never beneficial, and wholly devastating and damaging to health and mental power. Smoking is a permanent epilepsy. Nicotine is a chemical which deters animals from feeding on the plant. It has been widely used as an insecticide in the past and is still being used for the same purpose. A person who smokes 40 cigarettes daily absorbs nearly 500 grams of nicotine in 1 year. This is enough to kill at least 1,000 cats. Nicotine also contains traces of radiating elements. The RCP in London declared the smoking caused death toll a holocaust because the annual death toll due to smoking is around 28,000. Cigarettes can be considered as the first silent terrorist. It's a devilish drug. All smokers are dwelling in the valley of death, waiting to die. There will be martyrs sacrificing their precious lives to the billionaires who manufacture cigarettes. Smokers love smoking more than their families. They are cigarettes worshippers. Do you think God is pleased with people who worship idols? Stop smoking. Don't wait for authorities. Don't wait for authorities. Do it yourself now. Thanks.